welcome back to another episode of Jesus Speak Time Geek Out section. Today we're gonna talk about something that I really love, and most likely a lot of people do out there: coffee. It's coffee espresso. Everyone that loves Cuban coffee know what is this. Exactly, I'm addicted. I love Cuban coffee. So I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't used it, but I got it at a good price, $19.99 at Publix over here in Tampa, Florida. If not, you can just click on the link below. You will find it over there in a good price also. So growing up, I have my grandma making coffee with this. I love it. It's so good. I don't know how they do it. So sweet and strong at the same time without any bitter taste at the end. So
Hey, mijo. I need that.
hi, Doña Pepa. You need this?
I need the cafetera, mijo. I've been looking for it. I need to make my coffee. You know, I get upset pretty quick if I don't have my coffee in the morning. Are you done with it?
I'm not done with it. I'm making a video, a YouTube video. Go and make coffee with the Espresso cafetera. Okay? And just let me alone, please.
Mijo, that's my cafetera, okay? That's you didn't ask me for it. And that espresso porqueria, I don't like it. So, give me my cafetera. Por favor.
No, I'm not done. Just go away. Please, go away. Bye-bye. Bye.
Give me my cafetera. Last warning. The checkout is coming for you. Okay?
Yeah, right. Go away, just let me finish.
I told you.
Oh, why?
I told you the checkout was coming for you. If you didn't give me my cafetera. This is my, give me that. Now I'm gonna make my cafecito.